somebody call a plumber?
We've all had a run-in with Joe the plumber, haven't we?
Oh man, this is worse than I thought.
We haven't even shown you the problem.
Yeah, overtime.
The guy hits all the cliches.
Yeah, so what do we got here?
Inflated estimates.
I hope he got some savings.
Dozens of trips to the van.
Ow! What are we eating?
Mud-caked shoes.
Look at all the mud.
I hope it's mud. Relaxed hygiene. And an oldie but a goodie. Butt crack. Who needs Joe the plumber when you have Steve Grizzetti standing by at 6666 Santa Monica Boulevard, 323-851-0871. This can be yours, or it can be your competitor's. The choice is yours. Act now.